What if every brand you love, from Nike to Apple to your favorite local coffee shop, was built using the exact same formula? In the next 2 minutes, you will understand the simple recipe behind every iconic brand ever created and how you can use it starting today. Let's go! Think of a brand like a person at a party. Some people walk in and you instantly know who they are, what they stand for, and whether you want to talk to them. Others? Completely forgettable. The difference is not luck. It is a formula. And here it is. Step 1 is identity. This is who you are. Your brand needs one clear answer to this question. What do we do and who do we do it for? Nike does not sell shoes. Nike sells athletic ambition. For everyone who has ever pushed their limits. That is an identity. Step 2 is promise. Every iconic brand makes one bold promise to its customer. Apple promises that technology will feel beautifully simple. Disney promises that magic is real. Imagine you own a small bakery. Your promise might be, every bite feels like Sunday morning at Grandma's house. See how that feels different from just we sell muffins? That is the secret right there. Step 3 is personality. This is how your brand sounds, looks, and feels. Is it bold or gentle? Funny or serious? Think of Old Spice, the deodorant brand. They decided their personality was hilariously confident and ridiculous, and suddenly everyone was talking about them. A brand without personality is like a robot giving a speech. Technically correct, completely forgettable. Step 4 is consistency. Here is the key insight. None of the first 3 steps matter if you change them every month. Coca-Cola has used the same red and the same feeling of happiness for over 100 years. Consistency is what turns a brand into trust, and trust is what turns strangers into loyal customers. So here is your aha moment. Iconic brands are not built on big budgets. They are built on clear identity, a bold promise, a real personality, and relentless consistency. That is the whole formula. Remember, a brand is not what you say you are, it is what people feel when they think of you. Like the video and subscribe to Easy Marketing School for more free marketing lessons. Next time, we are answering the question, why do customers choose emotion over logic every single time they buy something?